video, guess what we are going to be doing today? We are going to be making a facial mask, anti-aging facial mask that's going to plump the skin up, boosts the collagen production. Guess what I'm going to be using? Popular ingredients that are known to clear the skin from dark spots and blemishes. Popular ingredients that are known to lift and firm and tighten the skin. And I'm using ingredients that contains vitamin C, vitamin A, lactic acid, you name it. Guess what, guys? It's all in this facial mask. So if you're looking for an amazing facial mask that's gonna get the job done really, really fast in 30 minutes, guess what, guys? Don't wait another minute. Just come with me in the kitchen and I'll show you how to whip this up like in no time. Now to make our clay mask, we're going to be using aloe vera gel. And here I have a piece of aloe vera leaf. So what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be extracting the gel. Now, when you're searching for aloe, make sure you find a nice, fresh looking one like the piece I'm showing here. So to remove the gel, I'm simply going to cut the aloe vera and I'm going to use about 2 ounces of the aloe vera gel. I'm going to remove the sides like I'm showing in this video. And then I'm just going to cut off the top part of the aloe vera leaf. If you notice, this have 2 sides, so I'm just going to cut it off. And here it is, aloe vera gel. And next I'm going to be blending. So I'm just going to place my aloe vera gel in the blender and I'm going to blend. And take a look at this. This is the blended aloe vera gel. And now we're going to move on to the second ingredient. Let's take a look at our next ingredient, which is a Fuller's Earth, and this is the clay that I'm going to be using today. Fuller's Earth is known for its ability to absorb oil and other impurities, which can make it an effective skin cleanser for people with oily skin and clogged pores. Fuller's Earth also helps to improve skin tone and complexion. It helps to soften the skin, but best of all, Fuller's Earth helps to smooth the skin by getting rid of wrinkles and fine lines. It also helps to tighten and firm the skin. Now here we have our next ingredient, which is plain yogurt. Make sure you get plain unsweetened yogurt. Now yogurt have many benefits for your skin, such as reducing wrinkles and fine lines. It helps to fight acne. It also helps to fade blemishes and pigmentation on the skin. Yogurt also helps to reduce dark circles. It also helps to treat sunburn, and it also helps to smooth wrinkles and fine lines, just leaving your skin hydrated, soft, and clear. Now let's move on. Now guys, when it comes on to your clay, you can choose to use whatever clay, whether you're gonna use green clay, bonita clay, Fuller's Earth, purple clay, black clay, it doesn't matter. Choose the clay that you like, okay? So now we are gonna put all these ingredients together. We have our clay, we have our aloe vera gel, and we also have our yogurt. And I'm gonna add one more ingredient to this, guys. And the final ingredient is rose water, which is going to help to hydrate the skin. So I'm going to use 2 tablespoons of the yogurt, and I'm going to pour 1 tablespoon of the fresh aloe vera gel on the yogurt. Now if you do not have aloe vera gel, not to worry, you can use the store-bought aloe vera gel. And next I'm reaching for the rose water, and I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of rose water. Pour that in. And now I'm going to mix the yogurt, the rose water, and the aloe vera gel together. Just blend and blend nicely. Now once you fully blend these 3 ingredients together, you're going to reach for your clay, whichever one you're using. Now remember, when you are making a clay mask, it's good to have enough liquid because the clay is very absorbent. So I'm going to start off with 1 tablespoon of our clay. And I'm gonna mix this in, slowly mix it in. Take a look at what is happening. You can see how thick this gets, like really fast. And I'm trying to get out all of the lumps out of mine. And I think this is good. You do not need to add any more clay to this, because the clay, as I said, is very absorbent and it's just gonna suck everything up. So just blend. And here we have our creamy facial mask. Now guys, I'm gonna add one more ingredient to this, which is optional. You do not need to add this ingredient. Here I have some beetroot powder, and I'm gonna be adding 1 teaspoon of the beetroot powder to my facial mask. Remember, it is optional. You really do not have to add it. I just want to play around with my beetroot powder today, and I'm just gonna mix it in my mask and mix well. Now I'll put a link below where you could get your beetroot powder to buy. And beetroot powder is good internally and also externally. It is loaded with vitamins and minerals, which is great for your skin. And when it comes on in that powder form, it makes it even more amazing for your skin. So here we have, guys, our facial mask, clay facial mask. So I'm going to go on the other side, and I'm going to show you how to use this on your skin for best result. Now, because we use yogurt in this recipe, I suggest you keep it no more than 2 to 3 days in your refrigerator. So do not make a lot. However, if you want to make your clay mask with the beetroot powder, then just leave the yogurt out and add the yogurt just before you use it, okay? So here we have our facial mask, and as usual, I like to stir it up before I apply it on my skin. So we're just going to give it a mix. Now guys, when it comes on to the beetroot, you can also choose to use some fresh beetroot juice in this facial mask if you do not have the beetroot powder. And as usual, if you have not exfoliated your skin for a while, exfoliate your skin before you apply this facial mask to get the best result. Now whatever you have left over, keep it in your refrigerator for no more than 3 days, since we're using the yogurt in it. And I'm just gonna, ooh, nice. And I'm just gonna apply it on my skin. And my hands is doing a very good job today. And it smells amazing. I could smell the rose water in this, very strong. Let me go back for some more. I like this a lot. Now, there's 2 ways of using this. You can choose to just apply it to your skin like this and leave it on for 30 minutes and then rinse off with some room temperature water. Or you can choose to apply it to your skin, wait for 15 minutes and then apply a second coating and then wait for another 30 minutes and rinse it off. Whichever way you choose, you're going to get amazing result from this facial mask. Okay, so up close, this is what it looks like on my skin. And how does it feel on my skin? Amazing. Oh, yes. I love this. I so love this, guys. I so love this. Just play around with this. You can also choose to add some cucumber juice to this instead of the beetroot. Now, I just like to see a little extra color that the beetroot gives. You can choose to add a little carrot juice to this instead of the beetroot. You know, you get the gist of what I'm saying. And just apply it to the skin. Just have fun using your facial clays, okay? I'm basically just talking, but while I'm talking to you, my skin is really feeling tight. I can feel this mask tightening on my skin. Up close again. Ooh, amazing looking mask. Yeah. All right, guys. So I'm going to sit with mine for about 15 minutes. I like to do the double layer. So after 15 minutes, I'm going to apply another layer and then I'm going to come back and show you my result. Now I am back. I am back. I am back. I am back. Now take a look. Take a look. Right here is totally dry. The edges are completely dry. My upper lip is dried and the side is not yet completely dry. And I'm going to sit with this for a couple more minutes and then I'm going to rinse off and I will be back with the result. Okay. I am back and it has been 30 minutes. Up close. This is what I look like. This is what the mask look like on my skin so far. Really tight. Especially my forehead. Right here and along my nose and along this area is really tight. So what I'm gonna do, I probably will go another 10 minutes or so, and then I'm gonna rinse off. So there you have it. Thank you all for watching. If you want to see more videos, guys, look below. You're gonna see some more